The Rio Grande River and the Rift create amazing formations here. And Christina is an outdoorsy second-year junior from nearby Cuesta, New Mexico, who appreciates both the beauty of the campus and the close attention students get at Adams State. Tell us more, Christina.
Thanks for that introduction, Alex. Hey guys, growing up, I've always had a love for the outdoors. My family and hometown were all major influences as to why I decided to get a degree in geology. I chose Adams State University because of its proximity to home and all the outdoor activities the San Luis Valley offers. Through STEM research, I've applied my skills to the outdoors and learned more about the resources around me. I'm from a small rural town, so community is important to me. I have found a community within STEM that supports one another and provides resources to help ensure success. Adams State makes a point of helping you find your way, get involved, stay on track, and grow into a proud Adams State Grizzly. No matter your interests, you're sure to find a place to fit in. The Adams State Adventure Program offers trips to explore the valley: paddleboarding, rock climbing, ice climbing, camping, hiking, and more. It's important because as you learn about these areas through research, you're then able to go out and enjoy these areas. The university hosts events throughout the year on our campus green and student union building. There are multiple clubs and organizations to join that keep you busy all year long. Through Adams State, I've emerged into different communities and explored different areas the valley has to offer. No matter what degree path you choose, you're sure to find a support system that encourages academic and self-growth. That's all for me. Back to you, Alex.
It's great to hear about how you can combine a love for natural beauty with academics right here at Adams State. That was awesome. Thanks again, Christina.